Hello guys, this is DIGADO from DIGADO Technologies, and today I'm showing you how you can make fake video call. Okay, this video is meant for the working boys. Okay, if I say working boys, they know their selves. Okay, for those who have been working, I mean the boys. Okay, so if you want to make a video call, okay, on Facebook, you can test me for the software and also for the tutorials. Also, if you want to make a video call on Skype, on Telegram, on WhatsApp, you can just test me. Okay, you can test me for the tutorials and for the software. Okay, this video is gonna help you. I mean, it's going to help you to achieve what you want, because clients always want proof. And if you're able to make a video call with a client, that means 80% of your job is being done. That means the clients will be having trust in you. So this video is meant for you. Thank you for watching.